gosh, dude. All of our riding space is gone. Look how high that water is. I guess we'll just have to ride this trail all the way around the mountain. See what happens. Alright. Like that. Okay, come here. I don't know. Stay close to me. Make sure you're looking ahead, okay? don't think we can make it over there, bub. Woo! Yep. It's getting a little too steep over here. There you go. You just gotta commit, dude. Okay? You got it. You gotta commit. You gotta go. And then once you go, you can slow down, okay? There you go. And that's why we wear big pants.
Okay. What we're doing right now is hitting a pretty steep trail. But I covered it with a sticker with a rock. So, yeah. I did all this stuff. Woo. Daddy, can't stop! A quad? This would be so hard. Come on! Ooh. Yep! I can't!
There you go. Pop it, give us a go. Turn to me. There you go, pop it a little bit, slowly. Over that rock. Woo! Hold on.
Now, about, oh, that hurts. It's bumpy. Ah, yeah. Waiting for this spot. I was hoping it would have a bridge. Because me and my friend would bet. Wherever I go, if there's a bridge, I win the bet. If there isn't, he wins the bet. All kinds of long sleeves, so they're not getting whipped by these. The house is starting to be built. That's it.
Made it, dude.
I'm still at full battery.
Nice. That was a nice little trail, huh?
Not too bad.
Not too bad. Dude, I got stickers all in me.